Celebrate your successes. It's important to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. When you take the time to recognize and appreciate what you've accomplished, it can motivate you to keep going and achieve even more. Here are a few tips for celebrating your successes. Make a list of all your accomplishments, big and small. Write down why each accomplishment is important to you. Celebrate your successes with your friends and family. Share your successes on social media or in your blog. Keep a journal of your accomplishments, and refer to it whenever you need a boost of motivation. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.